Alright, so when you make a RC car track, doesn't matter what kind of track, you want kind of a nice flat area of nice dirt. You want to get rid of all weeds possible. And in this case I'm making a small micro track, so not too much room, but enough room to get up to full speed. Alright, now to start your track, you want to build it to fit the land. Like, find some nice hills like here, go a little lower. If you can tell, I've got a little hill ridge right about here, and then it goes up about 4 inches. I'm gonna have a little step on, turn, step off. It's perfect for the area because it'll be a small turn away from the rocks. And then coming over here, there's a lot of dirt and a slight slope, so you could have a step down of some sort, or try to fit it into the land. It makes it easier to build. Alright, now you can see right about here I've got a tabletop. The dirt's not all that great. It's really rocky looking, but it's all dirt. I just need to chew it up really nice. It's from an old track that I had here, packed on pretty hard, so it will come through here and it'll turn. Right here we got somewhat of a bank turn. I don't know if you can see that too well. Again, all this dirt's really rocky, and through here is going to be a small pit. Now it's going to come around the corner. Here, let me start back here actually. Now it's going to be a tabletop, you know, left turn, or you split off that way into the pit, or this way to the track. And come through a little bank turn, which came. Alright, now pit will connect right there, and the track will keep going here into the step on, turn, and step off. Alright, so now as you can see I've got quite a bit more, here it's kind of hard in the light. Let's go over here and look the other way. Alright, so we have front stretch right here. These boards are to hold the rocks up somewhat. We'll have a turn, and I'll go straight down here into a tabletop, and then a left turn with the pit over here. Slight right turn, up and on, turn, drop off, slight turn, down. It'll be a rhythm section into a bank turn, and then it'll come over onto here. Whoa. Slight left turn, actually 180 degrees, and back down to start and finish. So as you start your track, you want it to be rock free and weed free. Alright, so now I've got the back side of the track all leveled, except for over here I'm going to have, actually I don't know yet. So as you can see, I have all the dirt that I dug up there. Nice little smooth run in here. If you're building an obstacle, here I'm going to set the camera down. So if you're building an obstacle, a lot of the time you need a lot of water. And then you just pound it down really hard. I'll show you what that looks like in a minute. Alright, so now you can see what it looks like. It's pretty packed down, really hard, a lot of water. If you make it nice and smooth, it'll harden, just like as you see. I'm probably going to do a little more work, try to get some of the cracks filled in, make it look really nice. Alright, so I've got the step on, step off thing, turn. Yeah, there you go, step on, step off, turn. You just put a ton of water on it to start with, letting it soak in, probably in like a minute or two. Put a lot more water on it and start pounding it down. Over here you can kind of see like the finishing. Looks really, really smooth, really nice compared to like over here. Big difference, right? So if you make your whole track look like this, I mean, it'll look nice, but it'll be pretty hard, pretty nice. You might want to, like I've done here, let it dry a little bit, and then I'm going to go back over it, so, and take out all these little creases all over, so it'll look better. Alright, now I have the step on, turn, step off done. I'm going to add a little jump right here. You can kind of see it there, not much, but... And then I finished the ramp on this side. It's going to be like a half turn. You can see the little sketch. Alright, wait, I'll zoom out. See the little sketch right there where the turn will be? So it'll be an awkward turn, but it'll be fun. Alright, so as you can see, the track is coming along pretty nice. Still got a lot of work. Right now, I'm getting some nice dirt, loading it up in the pit area, and pound it down, make it look really nice, kind of like what I did over here. So we're going to come from the step on, turn, step off, into a triple, into a bank turn, into the, I don't know, up, down turn, back, small step down, into another bank turn, into an S turn, and then back in. Alright, so I've started making a bank turn here, as you can see. Pretty much I just piled up dirt on like a square, and then I shaved away whatever dirt using my shovel here. Let's see if I can do a little bit one-handed. This will be kind of hard. So to make it, let's see. Okay, so right here, you just kind of shave away the dirt until you like how it looks, and then pretty much you'll end up with something kind of like this, depending on the type of turn you make. So yeah, just kind of have fun with it. I have a lot of rocks here that I'm going to have to take out, make it look better. This is also known as a bowl turn, because it sits down and it's like taking half a bowl, cutting it, and then throwing it in there. Okay, now as you can see, maybe, the bank turns are done and ready to race. All hard pack and ready to go. Let's go down, you can see the elevation a little better. There's definitely some elevation on those turns. They're pretty tall, especially for a micro 1/36 scale car. Pretty much you just sit here, you pound it down, make it pretty hard, water it down, pound it some more, let it all dry so it's solid, and then you're going to want to sweep it off. So now I'm right here. I started this first double. I'm going to make a double section. Right now it's just a triple. I have to add the next jump. So let me do that and then I'll show you how it looks. Alright, so I've got the whole track done here. It's looking really nice. It's going to be fun to drive. I've had one like this earlier. I should have done a video on that. That was a nice track too. It was really fun and pretty easy to drive. It was nice for a beginner like me. But after a year or so, I wanted to change it up. I made this. So right here, your double section, and off into the corner. Pretty nice. It's got a slight turn in it. Let's get another angle on this. Yeah, there you go. You can really see it now. So, first double, slight turn. Second double, bold turn. So we'll go over here to the start. Okay, so we're gonna do like a short little course walkthrough. with a bank turn, little step up, oh god, on off turns, really small step down, double, bold turn, come over, it's like a slight hip or something, don't know, I just thought it'd be fun. You pin down the backstretch, slight step down, another turn, and back to the finish. So I'm going to go over here, see if I can get a better view. So yeah, that's the track. Hope you enjoy it. I'll do a little bit on lining here in a minute. I just got to do some other stuff. So once you hit this stage, you're just going to want to water it down, make it really hard packed. Just follow the same watering that I had in the video earlier, and same procedures and stuff, and it should be good. I'll do that, and then I'll start a lining video. Alright, I'm done with that part. Soak the whole thing. I'm gonna let it dry, and then I'll show you the lining.